Hi everyone, this is Ashrit. Welcome to Latte Learners. Today's video is just an add-on to my previous ISS modules video. Please remember to watch my previous ISS modules video before you come on to this one. Otherwise, you won't understand a lot about this video. In the description down below, I've posted a link. Click on that link and it'll lead to my previous video. Now moving on. In my previous ISS modules video, I had told you about the modules of Zarya, Unity, and Zvezda. But today, I'm going to cover and continue more modules. If you didn't, please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Also, the people who did it, thank you a lot. The people who didn't, now you know, so do so. Also, please remember to like Latte Learners Facebook page and follow Latte Learners at Instagram and Twitter. Now moving on to our first truss, called as the Z1 truss. The Z1 truss is part of the Integrated Truss Structure, or ITS for short. What is the Integrated Truss Structure anyways? The ITS is basically the backbone of the ISS. This means that it holds all the modules of it. The modules and the ITS form one object, known as the International Space Station. Let's take the Golden Gate Bridge, for example. The Golden Gate Bridge has many triangular iron bars. All of those triangular bars are called as trusses. Basically, all these trusses add up to create one object known as the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. It also helps to distribute equivalent mass for the whole bridge. That same bridge concept is applied onto the ITS. So basically, the ITS's job is that it has to hold all the modules and it has to stabilize the weight and balance. All of the trusses of the ITS are non-pressurized. What's a pressurized module? Well, a pressurized module is a module where you don't have to wear an EVA or spacesuit to work in. An unpressurized module is basically a module where you need an EVA to work in. The ITS has 12 parts, and they're split into 3 groups. Here they are names. S, or starboard trusses, there are 6 of them. P, or port trusses, there are 5 of them. Z, or zenith trusses, there's only 1 of them. And that zenith truss, we are going to shift our topic to. Moving back to the Z1 truss, the Z1 truss launched on October 2000, and its launch vehicle is Space Shuttle Discovery. Its main purpose is that temperature controls, communication equipment, power control components, and system hardware. The Z1 truss is placed on top of Unity. We are going to move on to the P6 truss segment. The P6 truss segment is the next of the trusses and is the first of the port trusses. The P6 truss segment is launched in December 2000 and its launch vehicle is Space Shuttle Endeavour. It holds 4 primary functions: the conversion, or also known as the generation, storage, regulation, and distribution of the whole ISS. The P6 truss segment was placed on top of the Z1 truss. One more thing to note down about P6 truss segment. PMA2 was relocated to the bottom of P6 truss. PMA2 had to be relocated several times to be in its final resting place. For instance, suppose you need to go to your couch and work, but your laptop is at 5%. What you had to do is simple. You just take that plug out of the current outlet it is in and put it in an outlet near the couch. That way, computer could get charged and you can still work. This same plug and outlet concept is applied to PMA2. PMA2 will be relocated anywhere if it needs to, like a space shuttle needs to dock. Suppose Space Shuttle Atlantis needs to dock to Unity so that it transports cargo and astronauts. What it just has to do is that PMA2 could be relocated to the end of it and Space Shuttle Atlantis could dock to it. Recently, on May 30th, Crew Dragon holding Bob and Doug had been docked to PMA2. Now moving on to Destiny. Destiny is a U.S. laboratory. Destiny's onboard Space Shuttle Atlantis was launched on February 2001. Destiny is a place where astronauts work and conduct their experiments that cannot be done anywhere on Earth in various fields such as biology, human biology, meteorology, and astronomy. Now again, PMA2 was relocated to the end of Destiny, and this is its final resting place. PMA2 relocates as per the requirements. This is it, everybody. This is the end of today's video. And also, if you didn't, please subscribe, like, and share my videos. The people who did it, thank you a lot. The people who didn't, now you know so, do so. Remember to like Latte Learners Facebook page and follow Latte Learners in Instagram and Twitter. Also, please wait for my upcoming video. Stay tuned. This is Ashrita signing off.